Hi, friends. Let's sing some songs together. Why not? Just because we're not together doesn't mean we can't sing songs together. First, we'll do Here is the Beehive. Here is the beehive, but where are the bees? Hiding inside where nobody sees. Watch and you'll see them come out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bzzz. Bzzz. All right, what about the mice? Ready? Here is the mouse hole, but where are the mice? Hidden inside where nobody's nice. Watch and you'll see them come out of the hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Squeaky, squeak, 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 squeak. All right. How about one more? We'll do the owl nest. Ready? Here is the owl nest, but where are the owls? Flying away and out on the prowl. Watch and you'll see them come out of the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Whoo!